Cleaning thinset out of grout joints immediately when laying kitchen floor tile prevents ruined grout and hours of impossible cleanup. When laying tile, we should keep joints clear by working in short sections and using a damp cloth or fingertip to remove any thinset squeezed up as we go, because fresh thinset is soft and comes away easily. Use a small putty knife held nearly parallel to the tile to lift ridges before they firm up, and routinely run a joint check every 10 to 15 minutes so you catch squeeze out before it skins over. If we spot thinset in the joint that has started to stiffen but not fully cured, lightly mist the area with water and wait a few minutes to soften it, then scrape again with the putty knife or a stiff plastic scraper. For edges and tight corners, a clean toothbrush or a grout tool with a rounded tip lets us shape and clear the gap without scratching the tile. Keep a bucket of clean water and several rags on hand so we can swap to a clean rag frequently instead of smearing thinset around. Always plan your work so you complete grouting of one workable area before thinset across the rest of the floor has fully set. Common problems include letting thinset cure in the joint, which makes it grindy and nearly impossible to remove, so tackle it immediately with scraping and misting within 1 to 2 days if you miss the initial cleaning. Another issue is using a metal scraper at a steep angle that scores or chips tile. Avoid this by using a plastic or stiff putty knife parallel to the surface, and switch to a razor scraper only for very small stubborn patches and with light passes. A third concern is smearing softened thinset into adjacent joints while cleaning, which creates a thin film that bonds during grouting. Prevent this by changing rags often and wiping back to the bucket so we remove material rather than spread it. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where we share tips like these and ask about regional materials or techniques. We help contractors showcase their work and find projects while homeowners get practical advice from peers and tradespeople.